The timeline. Understanding the elements of the timeline window is very important for creating an animation. The timeline is the area where you work with frames to organize and control the content and animation of your movie. The main elements of the timeline window are shown below. The small red rectangle with a vertical line is called the playhead. It indicates the current frame on the stage and the current status of the movie. As the movie plays, the playhead moves from left to right through the timeline. The frame rate shows the number of frames per second (FPS) that your animation plays. Timeline window. Playhead, keyframes, frames, current frame, frame rate, elapsed time. Frames and keyframes. Frames contain the content of the movie. This content is displayed one frame at a time while you play the movie. They are represented as a series of vertical rectangles on top of the timeline. Every fifth frame has a light gray fill and is marked with a frame number, which is written at the top of the timeline. The black dots represent keyframes. A keyframe is a critical point in the animation where an object appears or changes or begins or ends an action such as fading, moving, etc. At the bottom of the timeline window, you can see three numbers. The leftmost number represents the current frame. In the above figure, the fifth frame is the current frame. The next number represents the frame rate. That is, the number of frames per second that the movie is playing. The frame rate 12 FPS denotes that the movie is playing at 12 frames per second. The third number represents the time elapsed. Inserting a frame or keyframe. To insert a frame or keyframe, follow these steps. First, in the timeline window, click on a rectangular placeholder where you want to insert a frame or a keyframe. Second, select Insert, Timeline, Frame, or select Insert, Timeline, Keyframe. Deleting a frame. To delete a frame, follow these steps. First, select the frame in the timeline. Second, right-click and select Remove Frames from the shortcut menu that appears. The frame gets deleted.